Greetings my friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Ntrade back to you with another video, and today I have something amazing for you. We have just released our brand new trading robot and I want to show you what you do with it, how to trade with it, how to make money with it. This robot will allow you to pick a specific strategy out of the list of available strategies and apply it to the real market, to any of the assets that you choose and the time frame that you choose. So you have full control of your trade and you also learning how to use different strategies. So this is an amazing tool. The strategies themselves range from beginner level to more advanced strategies, the strategies that professionals use. So this tool is definitely should be a part of your arsenal, and if you want to get it already, send me a message on Telegram. But now let's dive into the robot itself and let me show you what the future of trading looks like. And once again, the list of the strategies is going to expand, so there's going to be more strategies, there's going to be more things to learn, so stay tuned. And now let's delve straight into it. Alright, so here we have the robot, and the entire process is really simple. So we have 10 strategies, between the most basic one to a more complex one, so you can select what you trade with. For example, let's start with the easy one, moving average cross. So we select it, and next step is to select the asset. We look for the asset with a good payout, so let's find one of those. 85%, beautiful. Next step is to select the asset. We're selecting it right here, and now you select the time frame that you want. You have 8 time frames depending on what you trade. Select the one that suits you, but today we're gonna trade on 1 minute, so I select 1 minute. And now when you press start analysis, the real magic is going to happen. So let's do it, and let's wait for the signal to come in. And once it does, I'm gonna break it down and I'm gonna show you why this tool is the game changer for people who are getting into trading. So you see, it takes a little bit of time for the robot to fully analyze the situation, and there we have it. We have a sell position, so let's place $1,000 on this trade. And here we have an explanation. A clean bearish crossover occurred as the 20 MA dropped under the 50 MA. Price tested the moving averages as resistance and rejected downward, showing strong seller control. RSI is falling but remains above oversold, leaving potential for further declines. So we have 2 moving averages. Let's add them to the chart, and let's do 120 with EMA type and the color green, and the second one let's do 50 with the type EMA and the color red. So as you can see right here, we have the 20 MA dipping below the 50 MA, exactly what the robot said here, and we are 8 seconds away from getting our first win. So you get a position, an entry price at which the robot gave you the analysis for, full breakdown of a trade, explanation of what is happening with indicators that you chose to trade with. So this is what you get, and we got $850 off of this. So let's keep going and select a different strategy to try out now. Now let's try Bollinger Band strategy. Same process. We're gonna delete because we don't need this. And now let's find another asset. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, for example. Bad payout. We skip. We want above 80% or at least around that. I saw euro, Australian dollar. No. Let's Canadian, Japanese yen. Yep, there it is. 80% sideways market, a difficult situation. We already selected the strategy, so let's go with Canadian, Japanese yen. Same process, 1 minute, press start analysis, and now we are using a different strategy for this strategy. So let's see what the robot suggests us here. You get completely automated analysis, so you don't have to do anything besides selecting the strategy you want. And there it is, a buy position. So we place $1,000 here once again, and let's look at the analysis. A sharp bullish candle pierces the upper band during band expansion. EMA 20 and EMA 50 are both sloping upward, showing a sustained trend. So we can add, of course, Bollinger Bands to the chart here, and let's increase the deviation to 2 because that's how it usually is. And you can see strong rejection here on this candle, and let's observe how we get the money here. So just as simple as that, the robot does everything that you would need to do as a standalone trader, but now you have this in a form of help, so you can actually learn how to understand different strategies and how to trade with them. We have 20 seconds left to go on our trade. I'm expecting a green candle to appear here as we closing in on the final 10 seconds. So let's see it, if we're able to secure a win on on this trade. Obviously would have been nice if we placed the trade here, and we are finalizing 1 second, and we got $800. So you can see, even with the price being all the way down, we go in and get the money on the real market, just as simple as that. And now let's do one more trading strategy. We already made $1,800, so let's go ahead and finalize this with Rob Booker ADX breakout. Let's do one more. And Great Britain Canadian looks like a solid pick, 85% payout, pretty solid. So let's select it, press start analysis, and within a few clicks I am ready for the analysis and ready to take my trade. As you can see, the robot takes a bit of time to process every setting that you have selected, but the fact that you get to just simply follow the strategy that you choose, and you can master the strategy as well, is just, I think, next level. And here we are, we have a sell position here coming in from the robot. As you can see, strategy comment, trend strength improves with ADX above 30, minus DI dominance is clear, and price closes below MA 20 and 50 MA, aligning bearish. We got the signal, we got our trade in, and now we are just waiting. As I tell you, you have the screenshots, you have the full analysis, you will start looking at these things, you will start understanding them, and that will make your life so much easier as a trader. You have to focus on the things that matter. This trading tool will help you master certain strategy and understand how to use them, and on top of that, this will help you make money. And that's all that it comes down to in the market, is having the right tools, having the right timing, and this tool right here will solve most of those problems. So get it for yourself right now. We have a little trading session. We did 3 trades. All 3 went in back to back. We did take a little bit of time to find the last entry, so around 8 minutes, but once we hit it, we got it, and we made over $2,000 with this trading robot. So there you have it, guys. I appreciate you all for watching. Make sure to get this one right now as well. This is the tool for those who want to master one specific strategy and understand it, or wants to master every single strategy. This is also possible, because you can go back and change the strategy you're trading with if one doesn't work. So send me a message, check this robot out, let me know what you think. I appreciate you for watching, and of course I will catch you in the next one. Peace.